Join the magic, don't delay, on Gleefy Fun Official today. Down in the ocean where the water is clear, let's meet some friends who are swimming near. Bubble, bubble, splish and splash, let's dive in quick, no time to dash.
Hello little fish with your fins so bright, swimming all day, oh what a sight. Bubble, bubble, swish and glide, you shimmer like jewels in the ocean tide. Bubble, bubble, swish, swish.
Dolphin jumps high with a squeaky sound, flipping and spinning, always around. Splash, splash, up so high, waving to us as it touches the sky. Splash, splash, eek, eek. Slow and steady, the turtle goes with the hard green shell wherever it flows. Bubble, bubble, crawl so slow through the coral reefs, it loves to go. Bubble, bubble, crawl, crawl. Crabby the crab walks side to side, clapping its claws, it loves to hide. Clickety clack in the sandy bed, it peeks out its shell and bobs its head. Clickety clack, tap tap.
Wiggly octopus with 8 long arms, dancing around with underwater charms. Swish, swish, spin and twirl, it hugs the ocean with a gentle swirl. Swish, swish, twirl, twirl.
Under the sea, it's a magical place, full of friends and a happy face. Bubble, bubble, splish and splash, come back soon for another splash.
Bubble, bubble, splish, splash.